Hello students, I am your course instructor Professor Anisa Shikalgar. Here we are with our fourth example of the push down automata. So what is the language? A raised to n, b raised to m, c raised to n. So here n and m greater than or equal to 1 means number of A, the string started with number of A, after number of A there should be number of B's, and at the last number of C should be there, but here the number of A's and number of C should be same. There is no restrictions on the number of B. So in the previous example we have seen the number of A's should be equal to number of B and no restrictions on the C. So in the same way we are going to design the state transition diagram. Only what change we are going to do? We are going to push the number of A's into the stack in the same way as we have did in the previous example. Then there is no restrictions on number of B, therefore when the string started with the B means ends to read A and started with B, we are only reading and ignoring the number of B's. Okay, and after that when first C it read, we are now performing the pop operation. So for each and every C, one A will be popped. So likewise here we are going to design the push down automata. So here we will consider one particular example. Suppose it is A, B, C, C. Okay, so that kind of string it will accept. So first A it will be accepted by using that A into pushed into the stack by using that particular condition A, top of the stack is Z0, A Z0. Then second A is pushed by using that particular condition. Now we are obtained our first B. So whatever first B, second B, that we are going to only read and ignore. So B at that time top of the stack is A because we have pushed number of A's into the stack and the stack contains A. So that condition we are again here making one loop because we can't say number of B's are 1, 2, 3 up to here n. So that particular loop is there. Then when I obtain first C, we will move in that particular direction. The input symbol is C, top of the stack is A, and for C we are now performing the pop operation. The same is repeated in the form of the loop, and here now at the end of the string top of the stack is Z0 and here the stack contents are looking like this. So in this way that particular string will be accepted. So here we will see the transition function for the same example. Transition function delta. So see here students, delta, which example we are going to see here? It is A, B, C, C. So delta, first state is our Q0, my input is A and top of the stack is Z0, it goes to Q0 and the stack contents are looking A, Z0. The next symbol to be read is A, therefore delta Q0 A, top of the stack is now A and it comes to the Q0 state and stack contents are looking as a AA. So here now we are at first B. So first B we have obtained, so delta, still we are at the Q0 state, we obtain the first B, at that time top of the stack is A. So when I read first B, I move towards the Q1 and here we are writing the stack contents, we are not performing the pop, only we are reading and ignoring the B. So now the next is we obtain the C. So delta, we are now at the Q1 state, the symbol to be read is A, top of the stack is A. So after reading first C, it goes to the Q2 state and we perform the pop operation. Next see here students, now we are at the Q2 state and we read the second C, top of the stack is still A and we are now at the Q2 state, pop operation is performed. So here now our stack becomes empty and we are at the Q2 state. So delta Q2 and our input to be read is null. When I read null, it goes to the Q final state. Top of the stack is Z0 and here I reached at the Q final state and the stack contents are Z0. So likewise here we have at the stack particular state. Final state means acceptance state, top of the stack is Z0 means my string is accepted over here. So this is our fourth example related to the push down automata a raised to n, b raised to m, c raised to n where n and m greater than or equal to 0. That is our state transition diagram and here it is the transition function. We will see fifth example in the next video. Thank you students.